Hello children, today I will show you how to draw and cut a mushroom and write the swar on it. So let's get started. So all what you will need is green, white and red papers, scissors, glue stick and pencil. Drawing a mushroom is very simple children. You will go up and draw like a mountain and come down. You will go up and come down. Go up and come down. So let's start. Go up just like a mountain and then you will come down. Wow! Now you will take a small curve to your left and to your right. Take a small curve to your left and to your right, and now you will join these two. Now it's very simple. What you have to do is you have to cut it. You have to take a scissor and cut the end, just like I am cutting it. You can take the scissor and cut it with the help of your parents. Please don't do it by yourself. You will cut it only in presence of your parents. So the next step is to draw the base for the mushroom. So what you will need is any color of paper down for the base. I am choosing white. If you want, you can use white or yellow or brown. I am choosing white. You will need to do is you will take the glue and just below, just a small piece you will take just in middle, and this is the paper. Just stick it here in the middle. See, this is open, this is open, this is the page. Okay, to draw the base, you will take your pencil from this end, slide inside like this, and from this end you will take and go this side, and then you will join these both. Join it. Oh, your mushroom is ready. Just as you can see, the mushroom is ready. Now all we need to do is to draw and cut a grass and stick over here. So for that you will need a green paper. So you will take a green paper and you will just try drawing a grass. It's very easy to draw a grass. You will keep your pencil from here and you will go up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And now we can cut it. And now the grass is ready. You will take it and you can stick it like this. So you will take the glue and stick it like this down. And at this end. 13 circles. We need to draw 13 circles to write the swar. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now we will cut this.